Managing projects and tasks within COR is easier than ever, so it is important to make sure that our tasks are updated and reflect the hard work being done. Ensuring that the status of each task is accurate is crucial for providing visibility over where the task stands. On the right-hand side of the task is a colored bar that represents its status within the workflow. Blue signifies a new task that has been created but not started. Yellow indicates that the task is in progress. Purple shows that it is in review. Red in corrections, while gray indicates that the task is on hold. Perhaps more information is needed from a client, or internal validation is needed to move the task forward. Finally, green means that the task has been completed. Don't forget to update these as you go, no matter where in the workflow you are.